Digital marketing pillars. We talk about what are the most important things for manufacturing and the B2B companies to implement when they are deploying their digital marketing strategies. We invite you to watch. This video will be about what are some most important things that you have to have in place in order for your digital marketing to succeed. When we are done with this presentation, you will see an image, something like this. The base of every digital marketing platform, system, or plan is your website. Your website is super important to be developed, designed up to the most current specs, especially as required by the search engines to rank well, because that's really what matters in terms of marketing and reaching out to your potential customers. People are finding you on the internet using search engines. And if you cannot be found by the search engines, then you might as well not have a website. So I encourage you for your website to be optimized for not only very good usability, but also for search engines. SEO. Make sure that SEO stands for search engine optimization is in place from day one of your website. Make sure you optimize your content. You publish a new content, fresh content, few times a week, a month, maybe, depending on your business. You mix up the content, not just with text, but also audio, like podcasting, which is super popular nowadays, as well as the video. Video is great as well. The second largest search engine that people are looking for information is YouTube, which obviously is all video. You can also add to your website various features like a list of events in your industries, resources, white papers, highlights, white papers, etc., etc. Super important for generating a very good image for your company that is rich in keywords that people will be looking for to find your company. Promotion of your content, you can do it using LinkedIn or other social media that is appropriate for your vertical, your industry. Obviously, you may not be, selling machinery or lathes on Facebook because that's more for consumers. However, LinkedIn is a great place. Also, X, formerly Twitter, is a very good place, and possibly others as well. You define your target, approach your leads. Certain outreach campaigns also can be done on LinkedIn or other social media. Don't forget emailing. Very crucial aspect of outreach, digital marketing outreach, is emailing. The way you can look at it is you can use your list that you already have, or you can use lists from your events that you go to, trade events, or you can even acquire lists, people lists, based on NAICS codes or the formerly SIC codes, which are outdated already for a while. You collect the target titles of people that you want to talk with. You define the size of the target company you want to talk with, and then you set up emailing system. You set up sequence of emails, 6 to 8 times, touches with links, with tracking that you can then know who clicked on your links, etc. You can also set up ads. So another pillar, if you will, is advertisement. Many businesses, B2B companies, manufacturing companies are successful running ads on, for example, Google. Many also use LinkedIn. I found that Google may be more advantageous at the moment. However, that may change. If you require or desire more quicker results, ads are a very good candidate for trying doing digital marketing. Don't forget, once you have ads, to also invest in remarketing or retargeting. That is a way for people to put a little code on their computers. It's obviously invisible for them, unobtrusive, but then later you can come back to those people with follow-up ads who have seen your messaging before. Make sure you also have an overall lead generation system. There are services who do that. They require like a retainer, but some they get paid for performance. You pay only when and if somebody decided and agreed to speak with you and your salespeople. There's also many other pillars. I only listed these 5 right now for lack of time, but many other are available as well. As you notice, all of them require a website. All of them are anchored or based on your solid website. That is just the beginning. We call them the top of the pipeline, where you load up your sales pipeline with leads. Make sure that your website is also connected to a CRM system. CRM system is required for you to manage incoming leads. Why? Well, it's because if you don't track it, it's very hard to know the results of your marketing efforts or your sales efforts. Between 3 and 8% of website visitors will become leads at their first visit. So that means 92% plus of visitors don't identify themselves on your website. So you need to implement different systems and solutions. And we'll talk about that in just a second. What you want to do is implement some sort of a lead discovery system where those companies that visit your website, you can find out what they are. Then you can collect the level of interest they have, what pages they visited, what services, what products they visited. And then you can find who works for those companies. And then based on their titles, you can then collect those names and put them into your CRM. And then you can reach out to them via email, texting, or phone call campaigns. So now you will know actual names of people who work for the companies that have visited your website. This is very powerful. CRM has many different tools as well. Depending on CRM that you're using, the main goal for the CRM is to manage your sales pipeline if you're a sales organization. Various leads coming from the top, from any of those pillars we discussed in the past. Then in the CRM system, you would use automation to reach out to those contacts, those people, because you may have them, thousands and thousands of them a month, and your sales team is not as large to handle them. So you have to limit your resources. Automation will help you weed out those leads that may not be interested, but better yet, it will point to the leads that are interested, and then you can respond to them in a more personal way. One other system that can be used is an AI data enrichment system, which is using the available AI systems like ChatGPT. You can integrate it into your CRM system. And so use case would be your salesperson is working on a company, an account. It's an account that is cold. You don't know who they are. You don't know what they do. You just know that they may be your target because they came from some source that did not provide enough information. You can click a button in your CRM, wait 10, 20, 30 seconds, depending how much information you're required to collect. And then AI will fetch that information and bring it back into your CRM. And now you'll have richer information to make a phone call, make a follow-up, or make a decision. Also, another powerful tool could be AI-powered chat. The chat system on your website. Bots answer a lot of different questions that don't require a person. Another way, not necessarily AI-powered chat, but there are different chats that can be set up, and through logic and options, you can step people through available products, services, offers, etc. And then you guide the people through their decision to what information they need, and resulting in the information they need being presented to them, as well as offered to speak with a salesperson. And when that happens, then that person is already pre-qualified lead that is ready to talk about your services. Analytics and data analysis. Every single one of these boxes has tons of data, tons of information. You're encouraged to collect that information, and some of that information gets automatically collected. You just analyze. If certain marketing channel is not performing well, for example, if LinkedIn ads are not doing well, then stop spending money on LinkedIn ads. If emailing to cold emails provide you great opportunities, invest more into that activity. Personally, as I have been doing internet marketing, digital marketing already for way over 20 years, investing in SEO and the website and content publishing, that produces the best quality leads, because people are finding what you offer based on what they have found on the internet, not knowing your name, but they just knew what their need was. And your website, your article, your video provided that solution for them. So that's very powerful. I just want to quickly, briefly talk about a couple of things to the CRM and sales pipeline. Obviously, sales pipeline is the part of the CRM. CRM, customer relationship management system, helps you automate all kinds of tasks, lead distribution when the lead come in, who to send it to, like sales reps, reminders of task follow-ups, like prospect follow-up, like 8-time email automatic outreach, and thousands of other tasks. It also facilitates data enrichment with AI. You manage and store companies' contacts and deals. It provides analysis and reporting, like what sources give you best ROI, what reps produce best results, what reps need help. What's a sales pipeline? Obviously, you know. If you don't, quick reminder here is that a sales pipeline consists of stages. Each stage could be managed through automation or manually. Deals sit too long that is untouched in a given stage. If it does, then automation will send you a trigger that, hey, this deal has not been touched for a week or 2 weeks, and someone needs to do something about it. So it basically can send you alerts, bells when stuff happens or when stuff does not happen. Here's a quick example of a pipeline stages. Again, this you can modify to match your needs. When a lead comes in, we can call it a new opportunity. The second could be contacting, when people are contacting the lead. And then next would be engaging or talking about their project. The next could be, oh yeah, they are qualified, or providing estimate. You can customize your own stages. Like if your sales process requires the customer to come visit your location, you can just say visit location A, deal is in estimating or negotiating, PO signed, it's closing deal, and then won or lost. You can also give reasons why was it won and why was it lost. Just wanted to share this information with you, the pillars of digital marketing for manufacturing and B2B companies. There are a lot more to talk about and to share. Each section can be expanded upon depending also on the needs of a given company. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to speak with me, I'm happy to entertain that possibility. Call, email, and we'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you for now.